ठीक है. Hello student, good morning. Welcome back. Now I am going to start the reciprocal of the fractions. In last class I have solved the exercise 2.2. I hope you have to solve all problems. If any problems, I will see in class. So, what is the reciprocal of a fraction? Reciprocal, so since we know that a fraction can be written in form of a by b, where a is the numerator and b is denominator. It means that numerator I will write in capital letter N and denominator I will write capital letter D. A is the numerator and B is the denominator. This is your fraction, and I want to write in form of reciprocal. Means what will be the reciprocal of this fraction? So we can write the reciprocal of a fraction A by B will equal to 1 upon fraction. It means that we can write 1 upon this fraction, we can write A by B. So in algebra we know that a number can be write A by B divided by C. So this will multiply here. It means we can write C into B divided by A. This rule will be here also. So we can write what? B upon A. And what is B upon A? B upon A is the reciprocal of A by B. Is it clear? Or you can say that A by B is the reciprocal of B by A. For example, if A equal to 2 and B equal to 3, then fraction will be, what will be the fraction? A is the numerator, B is the denominator, so we will write A by B, it can be write 2 by 3. And what will be the reciprocal of A by B? So we know that we will write in form of 1 by fraction. Then what is your fraction? Your fraction is what? 2 by 3. It means that the reciprocal of a fraction, what is your fraction? 2 by 3 will equal to what? 1 upon the fraction. What is your fraction? Our fraction is 1 upon 2 by 3. 2 by 3 is a fraction. So you will write 2 by 3 and 3 will multiply here. So its value equal to 3 by 2. It means that the reciprocal of 2 by 3 will equal to 3 by 2. Is it clear? So this is the reciprocal of a fraction. We will know that we can write like this. Now, division of the fraction. What is how we can divide? Let us consider the two fractions. Division of fractions. Let us consider the two fractions P by Q and R by S. We can consider the two fractions P by Q and R by S. There are two fractions we can consider, and I am going to divide P by Q divided by R by S. Means their division can be write P by Q divided by R by S. This is the division of the two fractions. Means a fraction P by Q will divide by R by S. And it can be write in form of multiplication. It means that their result will be P by Q, and this sign will change. This fraction will not, mean the first fraction will not change. This is the rule. The first fraction will not change, but the second fraction, the sign, this operation will change in form of multiplication. And when you will write the multiplication, and you know that the multiplication is the reciprocal of division, or division is the reciprocal of multiplication. So if you will change the operation division in form of multiplication, means multiplication operation. So this fraction also will change in form of reciprocal. Then what will be the reciprocal of a fraction r by s will equal to what? S by r. Because numerator will change into denominator and denominator will change in numerator, means the place only change. Is it clear? So this is the reciprocal of this number, this fraction r by s. Then what will be the reciprocal of multiplication? We know that already. The reciprocal of division is multiplication and multiplication is division. So we will write here multiply r by s, will write s by r. Remember this. For example, if P by Q equal to 2 by 3 and R by S equal to 5 by 7. Is it clear? And now I am going to divide P by Q divided by R by S. It means that therefore P by Q divided by R by S. Is it clear? Then what is the value of P and P by Q? 2 by 3 divided by R by S. What is R by S? 5 by 7. And we have to simplify, we have to divide. So what to do? According to this rule, we can change. What? We can write division will change in form of multiplication. Means this sign, this operation will change their reciprocal. The reciprocal of division is multiplication. So we can write 2 by 3 into, and the reciprocal of 5 by 7. 5 by 7, their reciprocal will equal to what? Numerator will write in form of denominator and denominator will write in form of numerator. So its value equal to 7 by 5. So we can write 7 by 5. And now we can simplify. And you know that already in last class I have discussed about the multiplication of the two fractions. And you know that simply the multiplication of the two fractions will equal to the product of numerator divided by the product of denominator. So you can write here 2 into 7 divided by 3 into 5. And 2 into 7 its value equal to 14 and 3 into 5 its value equal to 15. This is your answer. Is it clear? So you have to solve like this. Is it clear? This is the division of the fractions, two fractions. More than 3 fractions also we can get, but simply here given 2 fractions. So I am going to start the exercise 2.3. Evaluate. First question. Exercise 2.3. First question. Evaluate first question. There are H part, means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 part is given. So some 2 or 3 I will solve, and rest you will solve. So first A will be here. 12 divided by 3 by 4. 12 divided by 3 by 4. And what is 12? 12 is a whole number. And a whole number divided by a fraction. So we know that suppose a whole number is A divided by B by C, and what is B? B by C is a fraction. So we can write no problem A into, this is the reciprocal of this, and this reciprocal of this fraction will be equal to C by B. We can write like this. Means we will change this in this form. Is it clear? Now, what will be the solution? Given that 12 divided by 3 by 4 can be write 12 into 4 by 3, because we know that the reciprocal of reciprocal of 3 by 4 equal to 4 by 3. Remember this, very important thing. So what you will do, this will be cancelled 4 times and 4 4 ja 16. This is your answer. Is it clear? So it is very important, the reciprocal of the division and reciprocal of a fraction. About the fraction we will say numerator will write in form of the denominator and denominator will write in form of numerator. Then that will be the reciprocal of given fraction. So this is the first A. Now we can see F, or you can say E part we will see 5 divided by 2 whole 1 by 2. What will be the solution of given question? Given that 5 divided by 2 whole 1 by 2, it means that what you can write, 5 is a whole number, or you can write 5 by 1 and division and they are reciprocal. Division is an operation, you know that there are 4 basic operations. One is addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. And multiplication and division both are reciprocal to each other. So here what is the operation? Here the operation is division and their reciprocal is the multiplication. So you can write the multiplication form. But first I want to change, this is a mixed fraction, I want to change in form of the improper fraction. So what you can write? 2 2 ja 4 and plus 1, that is 5 by 2. And now you can change the reciprocal of the given fraction and reciprocal of if a mixed fraction will given, so first of all we will change in form of the improper fraction, then we will write their reciprocal form. Is it clear? So what to do? 2 whole 1 by 2 it will write in form of improper fraction, and then after we will write their reciprocal. So what to do? You can see 5 and reciprocal of the division is the multiplication. We'll write the multiplication, and 5 by 2 means the reciprocal of 5 by 2 will equal to 2 by 5. Remember this, numerator will change in denominator and denominator will change in numerator. So we'll write here 2 by 5. And you know that 5 5 will cancel. What will be your answer? 2 will be your answer. This is your answer. We can see. Is it clear? Now last question I will solve. Suppose this is a H form. First H. 5 divided by 9 whole 2 by 5. Question is here 5 divided by 9 whole 2 by 5. What to do? The solution is here, given that 5 divided by 9 whole 2 by 5. So we can write 5 divided by, first we will change the mixed fraction into improper fraction. What to do? 9 5 ja 45 and plus 2. 9 5 ja 45 plus 2 equal to 47. So we will write 47 divided by 5. Is it clear? And what will be the reciprocal of given operation and their fraction? So we will write first 5 divided by this means the first fraction, first number will not change. Second number always change. Remember this very important thing. Second part will be changed. The first part will not change. Means dividend. This is a dividend and this is a divisor. The divisor will change always. Means they are reciprocal form. Never you will change the dividend. If you are changing the dividend, then the answer will wrong and process is wrong. Means our method is wrong. So what to do? 5 divided by. So 5 division will write in form of multiplication. 5 by 47 and again you multiplication of the two fractions, but here not a fraction, here the whole number. So simply you will multiply in numerator, then its value equal to 5 ja 25 divided by 47. This is the required answer. Is it clear? This is the question number 1. Now, question number 2. Question number 2 is given. Evaluate in this question number. Question number 2, evaluate 2a. Here also there are H parts, means 8 questions, 8 parts. So 1 or 2 part I will solve, rest you will solve. So first, second A is given. 3 by 4 divided by 12. Is it clear? So, since we know that the reciprocal of a whole number, suppose a whole number is a, their reciprocal will be 1 upon a. Remember this thing. Because why? Because you can write a by 1. Any number already divide by 1 and multiply by 1, their value will not change. So it can be write in form of the numerator and denominator. So a can be write a by 1 and reciprocal equal to 1 by a. And you know that what will be the reciprocal of 1 by a? Then reciprocal of 1 by a is a. Remember this thing. Converse also true. 1 by a, their reciprocal is a. For example, 2 is a number, their reciprocal is 1 by 2. Then we can say also 1 by 2 is a fraction or a number, their reciprocal is what? 2. Remember this. We can say in converse. So, what will be the reciprocal of 12? So 12 can be write 12 divided by 1. Is it clear? So what will be the solution? We can see, given that 3 by 4 divided by 12, and 12 can be write in form of what? Fraction 12 divided by 1. Is it clear? Now we can write 3 by 4 is a dividend, it cannot change. Divisor always change. So remember this thing, the first fraction will not change, this is the dividend. So we will write 3 by 4 and this operation will change, their reciprocal will be the multiplication, and this is a whole number, we can write in form of the fraction. So we can write 12 by 1, means divide by 1. Any number can divide by 1, no problem. So we can write 1 by 12, and now we can simplify 3 4 ja 12. And here 1 time, then 1 into 1, 1, and 4 into 4, that is 16. This is your answer. Is it clear? This is the question number second A. Now the second H, last question, last part. Second H. It is given, second H, 4 whole 3 by 7, 4 whole 3 by 7 divided by 7. Is it clear? So what to do in this question? This is a mixed fraction divided by a whole number. This is a whole number, and whole number we can write any number divided by 1. So we can write in form of fraction 7 by 1. We can write. Is it clear? So what will be the solution? We can see, given that what is given, 4 whole 3 by 7 divided by 7. First of all, we will change this fraction, this is a mixed fraction, in form of improper fraction. So what we can write? 4 whole 3 by 7. So 7 4 ja 28. Then 28 and plus 3 divided by 7. 28 plus 3 equal to what? 31 divided by 7. Is it clear? So we can write 4 whole 3 by 7 in form of 31 by 7. So we can write here 31 by 7 divided by 7. We know that. Again you can check. 7 4 ja 28 and plus 3. Its value equal to 31 by 7. And you can write 31 by 7 divided by 7. You know that. And one more thing I will say. This is a division, and again we are going to divide this number. So this will be changed in the multiplication form, means their reciprocal form. So 31 divided by 7 into, and this can be write what? 7 by 1, and 7 by 1 its reciprocal will equal to 1 upon 7. Is it clear? So we can write here what? 31, we will multiply the product of any two numbers as two fractions. So we will multiply the product of numerator divided by the product of denominator. Then what is the numerator? In this fraction 31 is the numerator, and in this fraction the 1 is, this is a unit fraction. This is a unit fraction because they are a fraction, their numerator is 1, is said to be the unit fraction. So here the 1 given, so 31 into 1 divided by denominator. And what is the denominator? 7 into 7. So we can write 31 into 1 divided by 7 into 7. And 31 into 1 equal to 31, and divided by 7 into 7 equal to 49. This is your answer. Is it clear? This is your answer. Then question number 2 is over. So many parts are given here. You will solve. One more part I am taking question from the question number 2. This is a F part. Of question number 2, F. 3 whole 2 by 3 divided by 12. Is it clear? Similarly, by this process you will use. Again, this is a mixed fraction. So what will be the solution? Given that 3 whole 2 by 3 divided by 12, mixed fraction will change in form of the improper fractions. What to do? Again you will write, you can see here, 3 whole 2 by 3 can be write 3 3 is 9 and plus 2 equal to 11 by 3. Means 3 whole 2 by 3 can be write 11 by 3. You see, 3 3 is 9 and plus 2. So 9 plus 2 equal to 11. Then you can write here 11 by 3 divided by 12. Is it clear? And again what to do? We will divide by 12. So this is a division, this is a dividend, and dividend will not change. So what to do? Only the divisor will change, and this operation will change. What to do in this question? 11 by 3 and division, its reciprocal will multiply by, and the reciprocal of 12. So 12 can be write 12 by 1, and the reciprocal will equal to 1 upon 12. Is it clear? So again what to do? You will write 11 by 3. Now we multiply 11. Again you will see this is the multiplication of two fractions. So multiplication of two fractions, what? The product of the numerator divided by product of denominator. Then product of numerator will equal to what? 11 1 ja 11 and 12 3 ja 36. Then this is your answer. Now Last question I am going to solve. Question number 3. This is last question of exercise 2.3. Evaluate. Question number 3 also given evaluate. What to do in this question? 2 by 5 divided by 1 by 2. First, there are H part also given here, means 8 questions, 8 part is given. So, some problems I will solve and this problem you will solve. So, 2 by 5 divided by 1 by 2. Given that A 2 by 5 divided by 1 by 2. Okay. In first question, second question, one part was whole part and second part was the fraction part. In second question, first part was the fraction, means the fraction form, and second part means the divisor was the whole number. So, how we can divide the whole number by a fraction and how we can divide the fraction by a whole number. Already we have solved, we have divided in question number first and question number 2 also. Now, in question number 3, the 2 fraction will given. In that case, what we will do? So, same method you have to solve, same method you have to use, no other method, means same method you will use in question number 1 and question number 2. What we have to do? Last question, we will see. So, what will be the solution? This is the last part, okay? So, after that you will solve. Given that 2 by 5 divided by 1 by 2, okay, equal to 2 by 5 is a fraction and they are reciprocal. Since we know that the division, their reciprocal is a multiplication, so you will write the multiplication. And what will be the reciprocal of 1 by 2? Already I told you 2 is a number and their reciprocal is 1 by 2. Then 1 by 2 is a number, then what will be the reciprocal? 2. So we can write 2. The reciprocal of 1 by 2 is equal to 2. So what you can write? 2 divided by 1. Both are the fractions. So the multiplication of the 2 fractions, what you can write? The product of numerator divided by product of denominator. Then what is the numerator is here? 2 into 2. The product of numerator. And what is denominator? 5 into 1. Their value will equal to 4 by 5. This is your answer. Okay. So there are each part. So I hope you will solve. Exercise 2.3 is completed. And so many examples also given, so you will solve it. Okay. In next class, I will start the word problem involving the fraction. And this that will be the last exercise and the chapter will complete. Thank you.